Do we have any Jeep lovers? I'm just gonna show you clips here and there on how we did the whole detail. So we pretty much just did the clay bar decontamination on everything that's painted. We also addressed the wheels, cleaned the wheels. We also did the engine. Show you guys. Oh, this looks really nice. So we degreased all of this. So then we you know, brush up everything, and then we dressed everything up. Now the engine is very clean. We added a beads pico 2 sealant. So that sealant is kind of like a ceramic on a short-term scale, but it does give a lot more gloss to the paint, as you can see right here. We're up in the 3M classes, so we missed Valentine's. So here's our Valentine gift to you guys. This red, beautiful, luscious Sahara Wrangler Unlimited Jeep.